Ever wondered what it's like to touch the coldest thing on Earth? Prepare to be amazed by a substance that defies our everyday understanding of temperature. Get ready for a sensory journey into the world of liquid nitrogen, where cutting-edge science meets the truly surreal. This isn't just about cold, it's about a fundamental transformation of matter. Forget everything you think you know about cold. We're diving deep into the frosty realm of liquid nitrogen, a substance that holds incredible power and fascinating secrets. This remarkable liquid, often abbreviated as LN2, is nitrogen in its liquid state. It exists at an astonishingly low temperature of -196 degrees Celsius, or -321 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than any natural temperature ever recorded on Earth's surface. It's a substance that truly pushes the boundaries of what we perceive as extreme. Throughout this exploration, we'll also embrace the subtle, captivating sounds and processes that make interacting with liquid nitrogen a unique experience. It's a journey for your ears as much as your mind. Observe closely as liquid nitrogen is introduced into a container at room temperature. You'll immediately notice a vigorous, almost violent bubbling action. This isn't just a visual effect, it's the liquid nitrogen boiling rapidly. Despite the ambient warmth of the room, which feels normal to us, it's an inferno to LN2. The visible cloud you see rising from the container is not smoke, but nitrogen gas. It's the result of the liquid nitrogen absorbing heat from its surroundings and changing phase. This phenomenon perfectly illustrates the concept of boiling point. For liquid nitrogen, its boiling point is far below zero, meaning it boils at temperatures that would freeze most other substances solid. This incredibly low boiling point is precisely what makes liquid nitrogen so effective for rapid cooling. It can quickly draw heat away from objects, causing dramatic temperature drops in an instant. Listen closely to the gentle, consistent bubbling sounds emanating from the container. It's the sound of countless nitrogen molecules transitioning from liquid to gas, a constant symphony of phase change. The ethereal fog that billows and swirls is a mesmerizing display of this process. Each wisp of vapor tells a story of extreme temperature differences and rapid energy transfer. This constant transformation is a fundamental characteristic of liquid nitrogen, making it a dynamic and visually stunning substance to observe and study. Now let's witness the dramatic effect of liquid nitrogen on everyday objects. Imagine a delicate flower, a ripe banana, or a bouncy rubber ball. When submerged into liquid nitrogen, these objects undergo an immediate and profound transformation. The extreme cold instantly extracts all thermal energy. Upon removal, and with a gentle tap or impact, the once pliable object shatters into countless pieces. It's a stark demonstration of the power of rapid freezing. This instant freezing occurs because liquid nitrogen rapidly removes heat from the object. The molecules within the object slow down dramatically, losing their kinetic energy. The material properties of the object fundamentally change. What was once flexible or soft becomes incredibly brittle, losing all its elasticity and structural integrity. Notice the subtle crackling sounds that accompany the freezing process. It's the sound of the material contracting and becoming rigid under the intense cold. The visual transformation is equally compelling, as the object quickly frosts over and hardens. It's a vivid illustration of matter changing state under extreme conditions. One of the crucial properties of nitrogen, both as a gas and in its liquid form, is its inertness. This means it does not readily react with other substances. This inert quality makes liquid nitrogen incredibly versatile and safe for many applications, provided it's handled correctly. It won't chemically alter what it touches. To illustrate this, consider the fascinating process of making ice cream with liquid nitrogen. It's a safe, fun, and delicious demonstration of its properties. While liquid nitrogen itself is harmless in terms of chemical reactivity, proper handling is paramount due to its extreme temperature. Safety precautions are always essential. The nitrogen gas produced as the liquid boils is simply atmospheric nitrogen, which makes up about 78% of the air we breathe. It is completely safe to inhale. Listen to the gentle, almost whispering sounds as the liquid nitrogen interacts with the ice cream mixture. It's a soft hiss as it rapidly chills and solidifies the ingredients. Observe the beautiful swirling fog that accompanies the ice cream making. It creates a smooth, creamy texture that is difficult to achieve with traditional freezing methods. This application highlights how a seemingly dangerous substance can be safely and effectively used in culinary arts, showcasing its benign chemical nature. Let's explore another intriguing property: the density of nitrogen gas when it's cold. Watch as a lightweight object, like a balloon or a ping pong ball, is placed near the vapor. Instead of falling to the ground, the object appears to float or levitate on an invisible cushion. It's a captivating display of atmospheric physics. This phenomenon occurs because the cold nitrogen gas, which has just boiled off from the liquid, is significantly denser and heavier than the surrounding warmer air. The denser, colder nitrogen gas forms a temporary invisible layer or pool that can support lighter objects. It's like an invisible fluid for these objects to rest upon. Listen for the subtle, almost imperceptible sounds of the gas gently escaping and settling. It's a quiet testament to the physical properties at play. The visual of objects gracefully floating on this unseen layer is truly remarkable. It's a simple yet profound demonstration of gas density and buoyancy. Beyond these captivating demonstrations, liquid nitrogen plays a vital role in countless real-world applications across various industries. Its unique properties make it indispensable. In medicine, it's used for cryotherapy, freezing and removing unwanted tissues, and for preserving biological samples like blood, sperm, and eggs for extended periods. The food industry utilizes liquid nitrogen for flash freezing foods, which helps to preserve texture, flavor, and nutrients far better than conventional freezing methods. It's also crucial in scientific research, cooling sensitive equipment, and in industrial processes for shrinking metal parts for tight fits, a technique known as cryofitting. These diverse applications underscore the immense practical value of understanding and harnessing the extreme properties of liquid nitrogen for human benefit. We've journeyed through the extreme cold, witnessed rapid transformations, and explored the inert nature of liquid nitrogen. Its properties are truly fascinating. From its vigorous boiling at room temperature to its ability to instantly freeze and shatter objects, and even to make delicious ice cream, LN2 is a substance of wonder. However, it is absolutely critical to reiterate the paramount importance of safety when handling liquid nitrogen. Its extreme cold demands respect and proper protective measures. Always use appropriate personal protective equipment, including cryogenic gloves and eye protection, and ensure adequate ventilation to prevent oxygen displacement. Liquid nitrogen, a world of wonder, a world of cold. Remember to always handle with care and with a thorough understanding of its properties. From freezing flowers to making ice cream, the possibilities are endless for those who understand its science. Stay curious and always stay safe. So, next time you see that frosty fog, you'll know the amazing science behind it. It's not just vapor, it's a testament to the incredible physics of our universe.